Good morning, Anthony. My name is Bree from Northland Marketing. How are you doing today? I spoke with you yesterday, and as promised, here's your analysis. I wanted to get on here real quick, go through your site in this video to do an audit, and show you personally what's holding your website back from being in the top 3 on Google. I'm going to jump in, start going through what we see, and where we think you can get the most value. I'm going to mainly be going over 3 things you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. The very first thing I want to go over is your website and then what we call content. When someone searches, for example, window replacement CT, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Google's looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. Now, when I go through your website, I see you have a little bit on here, but not really a whole lot. Right? We have one kind of blurry picture here, a little bit about the services, but not a whole lot. And there's almost no content within your website. Now, one thing I can tell you about Google is that they love content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words, and you guys have about under 100 words on here. Adding that additional content with the keywords you're trying to target would make a huge difference in you being found. This is because Google comes in and they actually crawl the content on your website. They're reading it and they're trying to figure out what services you offer and where you serve. So having those keywords listed 10 to 15 times really ensures that Google's going to be able to find you. If we go to a search for window replacement CT, for example, we can see that all these guys are running ads here. And this is called the map pack. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work. They're super easy to find and they're listed right away. The websites listed below here, these are called the organics, and the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within those top 3 positions to drive the most amount of people to your website. Take a look at this first website here, Window World. We can see that it's a pretty nice website. Right, they got pictures and things to look at. It looks pretty good, a picture of them. I've got content on here, right? But if you guys had about 1,500 words on your homepage, you'd definitely be beating them out content-wise. And let's talk about why they were listed first. This is a paid program I use to research websites called Ahrefs. I went ahead and put them into here so we can see what we're up against. The second thing I want to go over is UR and DR ratings. These ratings are really important to your placement on Google. Now, a UR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your website. And a DR rating, it shows how powerful you are in the eyes of Google. These numbers are generally raised by backlinks. We can see that they have 470 overall backlinks coming from 103 websites. And 48 of those are powerful websites. Now, a backlink refers to a link that points back to your website. So in Google's eyes, it's kind of like a popularity contest. A good example of this would be if a blog website wrote an article about window replacement companies and they listed your website URL as a company they were recommending. Okay, that would be giving you 1 backlink. I want to call attention to their organic keywords. These are keywords within their content that I was talking about before. For example, window installation Connecticut. There's approximately 200 people Googling that every single month, and they're in roughly 2nd place. Window repair CT, another 60 people searching for that. Replacement window CT, another 100 people searching for that. Window CT, another 30, right? There's a ton of search volume for windows alone. I know there's a lot for shower doors as well, and all of the other services that you offer. If you combine those together, there is great search volume for the services you offer. This is important. You want to show up at the top for the most amount of words, right? The more people that find you, the more people that go to your website, and the more people that will call you and turn into clients. When we take a look at your website's ratings, your UR rating is a little higher, which is good, but your DR rating is 0. Okay, it's absolutely nothing. You have 164 backlinks coming from 10 websites, and only 2 of those are powerful. Okay. We have 8 organic keywords, and most of them aren't really helping you. Obviously, we have your name, which is important. We have Glass Company CT with about 90 people searching, which is great. However, you are really far down. It says that you're in about 84th, which is approximately the 8th page of Google, right? Definitely not on the first page. But in this video, we went over how you can get yourself up into the front page. One, through your home page, and how you're going to want at least 1,500 words on here. 2, through your UR and DR ratings and how you'd want to raise those numbers with backlinks. And then 3, the backlinks. What your competition has and how to beat them out by showing Google you have more authority. And if you implemented these strategies today, you could be on the front page of Google. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great day.